Crude oil and net gas both started off the week on a strongly bullish note. We have seen now oil trading above the critical number at 68 and in fact moving all the way towards the next milestone at 68.5, 68.6. While it is natural gas which has also seen a very good rise now at towards 3.5, 3.52, the greater resistance zone. So now what to expect? Are the highs for oil and gas are done, or we are looking forward to a further rally? What should be our strategy in order to profit trading oil and gas? You're going to see here with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to deliver 2 updates a day for oil and gas specifically. Yes, no other channel delivers twice a day updates on oil and gas. Thus, subscribe, press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into oil, followed with gas. Watch till the end. See what has happened with oil earlier in the day. We have seen that once it trades beyond 68, you can expect a good move. In fact, you can buy at 67.8 as it has formed a very good support here. Yes, after forming the support now at 66.8, we have seen a good rise and still there is a possibility for further rise here. So now if you see oil trading beyond 68.6, you can just stay bullish. We are looking at 69.2, 69.3 and $70 zone very, very soon. But what's happening, notice rise, consolidation and the rise. The bullishness is right now stagnant here. I will just wait for it to deliver a breakout because see, there is still lot much of upside available here. So let's wait for another round of breakout move here, and thus I will say the buying should be only above 68.6 levels, where you can expect 69.2, 69.4 the first target zone and 70 the second. If you see the stochastic, this is rising. The MACD already has seen a good rise. The RSI is at top. Look at 2 hour chart. On the 2 hour chart, similar observation here. One thing you should keep a note that after the rise retracement, it has formed a very good base now at 67.4 levels here. And now if you see it is staying below 67.3, 67.2 zone, you can stay with the sells, but then 66.8 is the milestone it has to break in order to confirm reversal. As long as 66.8 is not taken, you have to be careful with the sells. Moving averages have crossed over. These are trading with divergence, is staying bullish here. Stochastic rising, the MACD rising, the RSI is already at the top. Things are still bullish and things are still confirming for further rise, though on the smaller time frame there is a little overbought levels are seen, but yes, it has still scope. So what could it do? It could consolidate a little before giving a breakout. Now see the 4 hour chart. See, it has formed a base, and at this point itself I have mentioned now 64, 63.6 is going to be difficult for it to break. What has happened since then? Now see, it is still under retracement. See the base here, rise, retracement, again another rise. Now see here also it is respected the channel, higher highs are seen. So higher lows, higher highs should be there, which means at least a move towards 69.2, 69.4 has to be there, and then you can see a good rise towards 70. See, it is taking more time here. Notice the drop was shift, it is taking more time here. So it is possible that it can give you a breakout on the downside, maybe soon, but not if it trades beyond 70 and 72.4. Then it should head towards 75. Let's wait for it to take a direction. Stochastic looking down as of now. The moving averages, MACD are bullish. The RSI is at top. Coming to the daily chart. On the daily chart, see, notice this. Similar formation what we had seen on the smaller time frame. See, this has formed a base here. This has taken the support and now trying to bounce back. There is a strong possibility of a move towards 69.2, 69.4. Also look at this, it has created another support here at 67.4, 67.2 zone, and with that as base we have seen this rise. So it could possibly continue with this up move here, and thus if you see it is staying beyond 68.6, you can initiate a buy here. If you see the stochastic, this is rising. The MACD also has crossed over beautifully after taking a dip, which suggests more bullishness ahead, and the RSI rising. So considering this, before I provide you the levels, see, if you also want to learn this art of trading, do join my next mentorship batch starting 21st of July. Yes, join the batch today. Only limited seats are available. See, we prove why you should join the batch on a daily basis by giving you the precise levels. And this is the beauty of the mentorship batch, where you get to learn much more. Join it today and enjoy your learning. Else, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram, where trading as per the signals you can profit. For queries related to the services, you can reach out to me. My Telegram and email IDs are there in the channel and video description. And those looking forward to a trusted partner which offers you a swap-free account, lowest spreads, no hidden charges, easier transactions, easier withdrawals from across the globe, zero commissions, you can find the trusted partner link also in the channel and video description. So now the thing here is pretty clear. I am still looking forward to a rise here in oil, and thus in fact you can buy here at 68.3, expect 68.6. 69.2, 69.4, and 70 at the next targets. There is a strong possibility to it. But yes, with the stop loss at 66, 67.3, 67.4 zone, because below 67.4, you can just take a sell. And thus I'll say below 67.4, you can expect it to move towards 67, 66.8 as the first target, 66.4 as the next, and 66 at the last one. Below 66, it is gonna correct sharp. I do not expect this, but yes, these are markets. It could see it is formed a top, it could reverse sharp from the current levels. There is a possibility to it, but though I'm not expecting it. So yes, 68.3 you can buy, but then till 68.6, be cautious, be watchful. Beyond 68.6, it may deliver a good rally, and take your positions accordingly. Now let's move to natural gas. See, natural gas has breached past the first critical number at 3.48, and earlier in the day I have mentioned, in fact, you can buy at 3.46 itself, as it was delivering lower highs and it is giving a breakout. We may see 3.52, and now 3.52 is the first milestone it should breach, because beyond 3.52 we are expecting 3.56 and 3.6 zone. 3.6 has to be there very, very soon, though if not today, possibly soon. See what is happening here on the early charts: rise, retracement, again a rise. So this could follow with a retracement towards now 3.4 and 3.535. These are the two levels which it has to break in order to turn bearish today, else it is still not bearish. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising, RSI overbought slightly. Look at 2-hour charts. What has happened on the 2-hour charts? The crossover is important. The moving averages have crossed over on the buy side. This is delivering higher lows, higher highs. And now once it trades, and see, this was the double top it has breached. So now it is ideally confirming further upside all the way towards 3.6. Let's wait for this. If you see the moving averages, these are overbought. The MACD is rising. The RSI is overbought here. Things are slightly overbought here. Look at 3-hour chart. On the 3-hour charts, what has happened? See, exponential rise, and now it is trying to show you a little swing or consolidate before taking the direction. Now this is the zone that is 3.4 to 3.38, 3.35 is what it needs to break in order to confirm complete reversal. Though it is difficult but not impossible. This is natural gas. It can deliver beautiful moves here. And thus, if you see net gas is staying below 3.46, you can take a sell here at 3.46, expect 3.43, 3.42 at the first target zone, 3.4, 3.38, 3.35 at the next target levels, though it is still staying bullish here. The stochastic getting overbought, the MACD rising earlier in the day. What did we see? That see, it is consolidated. Now it should deliver to the top, and it is moving towards the top. It appears there is still lot much of room on the upside to cover. The RSI is already at the top. Look at 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour chart, similar observation. See the convergence here. The moving averages has started to converge, though not yet crossed over. See, I can see it is the bullishness getting diminished here. Just wait for it to stay beyond 3.52 levels, particularly beyond 3.5 to 525. You can expect it to move towards 3.55 and 3.6. 3.6 is a greater milestone it should achieve, because beyond this we are looking at 3.72 and 3.8 levels very, very soon. Notice what's happening. See, this is trading in this larger channel here. Thus 3.6 is pretty critical now for it to break beyond, because that will confirm the reversal. Right now it is moved past the near term bearish channel and looking upwards. If you see the stochastic, this is overbought. The MACD is rising. The RSI is rising at the top here. Coming to the daily chart. Now on the daily chart, see, this is what I was talking about. See, this has come out of this near-term bearish channel. Now this is at the top of this, and see, this is also prices are trading with divergence from the 20 period moving average and the median of the Bollinger Bands, and that is why earlier in the day I have mentioned. Now it is pretty important for net gas to trade beyond 3.52, and then we could expect it to move towards 3.5556 and 3.6. And once it trades beyond 3.6, this could mean a reversal here. Notice on the daily charts, higher lows, higher highs. Hitting the higher highs, it has seen the higher lows. So now this could scale up, and thus this zone at 3.6, 3.8 is pretty crucial for it to break beyond, because that will confirm the next up move here. The stochastic rising, the MACD trying to converge crossover for a buy, the RSI rising. So considering this, now a buying entry only at 3.52 levels, expect 3.5556 at the first, 3.6 at the next. Beyond 3.6, it should deliver massive bullishness towards 3.7, 3.72 very, very soon, and 3.8 the next. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry now at 3.46, expect 3.43, 3.4, 3.38 and 3.35. Below 3.35 is where you should treat natural gas as bearish. Till 3.35, it's not bearish. It could bounce back sharp below 3.35. This time we should we should see an extreme correction towards 3.2 and $3 zone very, very soon, though I am not in favor of that. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Do not miss to watch the next update tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session, which gives you a fair bit of idea on what to expect from the oil and gas energy throughout the Europe and Asia sessions. Thus, watch both the updates. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you soon tomorrow.